Well, here we have this device that we are going to be able to recover in a very easy and simple way. In this video tutorial, we are going to use two methods completely without a PC. Doesn't work for you, the second one will work for you no matter what. So you can recover your device in a very easy and simple way. In this video tutorial, we are not going to use a PC, as we said. What do you have to do? Well, pay close attention to this video tutorial For those people who also want to suddenly take advantage of our video and want to have our video in advance, well, we are going to have the community of members for those people who can support us and subscribe to our community so they can take advantage of our video days in advance. What are we going to do to be able to enter what is recovery mode? We are going to press the power button, volume down button at the same time while touching the screen. This would be the first method that we are going to do this process. We are going to press those two buttons when the device restarts. We release the volume down button while holding the volume up button. Then when it shows the logo, we release the power button and hold the volume up button to be able to enter the mode. This would be the first method to be able to enter recovery mode. But let's say that suddenly you do not enter this mode. I will explain the second method. We are going to restart our device and we will wait for it to start to be able to apply the second method. How the second method consists? Well, in a few seconds we will explain step by step and what to do. It is not complicated at all. What we are going to do, well, to be able to do this process we are going to use what is another additional device. Then we are going to look for what is a USB-C cable that has the same Type-C tips. We are going to connect both. We are going to connect both devices. We connect them. Now we are going to connect the second device once it is connected. Now what we are going to do is the following. We are going to press the power button, volume down button at the same time. We are going to press those two buttons, power button, volume down button at the same time, since it allows us to turn off the device. We press those two buttons when the device restarts. We will have it here, the two phones. Now yes, we are going to press the button power, volume up button. When the device restarts we release the volume down button holding the volume up button. You know, we're going to hold it when the logo starts. When the logo starts we're going to release the power button. We release the power button so we'll be able to enter what is the recovery mode. What we're going to do here in recovery mode, we go where it says wipe data factory reset and we click on it and we click on reset. After we have completely reset it we give it the first option where it says reboot system no so that our device can restart. Once our device has completely restarted we will be able to configure it. We will be able to configure it in a very easy and very simple way. Let's say that our device when it is completely reset and we have completely configured it. Suddenly you are left with the Google account, the security account. Well, for that we are going to give you the solution so that you can also recover your device if you are left with those blocks. What we are going to do, well, you are going to do the following. You are going to go to what is in the description from the video or in the comments. We will leave a method to be able to solve it. This does